Hey guys, welcome. So today we'll be discussing about chalk. So chalk is used for styling strings on a terminal. So some of the highlights of chalks are expressive API, highly performant, ability to nest styles, and support for true colors, which is 256. And it is actually clean and focused and highly maintained. So the maintainers are well active, and it is actually used in lots of the packages. So let's dive into the code insert. So I have already installed nodejs as a global dependency, which you could do using npm install dash c. Dash c is for global flag. You could also use dash global, and then you could do it. So I have already installed it, so I won't be installing it. We'll do init our package.json, which we do using npm init dash y, and the only change that I will be making is changing this test script to a start script and using node mode. So we'll save it, and then we will install our solve package. So once it's installed, I will just create a index.js file, and I will just import our package in it. So equal to require, we'll do chalk. So to use it, all we need to do is console.log and then use chalk. So chalk. So if you want to set it to a specific color, so this is for the foreground color. So what we will do is we'll just pass a string. Let us pass hello world to it. Then save it. So once we start our server, we will see that the text is in green color. We could also change it into red. There are so many colors that it supports, as I have previously mentioned. Also, we could also do something like, I'll just copy it and paste it. So like we could also pass multiple strings like so hello world, and then from Sonendra. So as you can see, it is like so, and we could also like pass a background color to it. So for that, all we need to do is dot bg, and then we could pass it a green background color and save it. And as you can see, it has now a background of. We could also do bold. So dot bold, it will change into bold. And if we want to like do a underline, so we could just do the underline like this. So we could also do something like above one. So we could also do something like this, like we could just change this text into red, and we could also change the remaining half into a different color. So add a plus here, and then what we could do is sort dot, then we could just pass like, let us suppose that we want to change this to a green color, and we just want to pass it to color of red, and then we want to pass it. So suppose from channel, if we save it, as you can see, now the half text will be of different color and the half will be different. So not only it supports colors like green, blue, red, it also supports hex, and it also supports the RGB. So not only this, we could also like create a variable. So suppose error, we basically know that the error is always shown on red color. So what we could do is red dot bold, chalk dot bold dot red, and we could do is console.log, then we could do error, and then we'll just pass like something went wrong, and I messed up. So I'll just save it. As you can see, something went wrong. We could like, we know that for warning it's generally shows on like orange color. So we could also do it with chalk.keyword. So keyword is also used for specifying color. So we could also do something like this, and once we do console.log warning, and then if we pass like something is missing but still it works, right? So if we save it, we will see like see a warning message. So we could also do something for the success like const success, is equal to sort dot bold dot green. So success messages are generally in green, so we'll switch in green. So what we could do is console.log, and then we could use that success, and then we could just pass our message. So everything is as expected. So it is in green. So the scenarios would be like, suppose if we ever try catch block, right? So there will be a direct error inside our catch block, and there will be a direct success inside our try block. So for that we just use the success, and for the catch we could use the error or the warning. So what if the try has two methods? So the first one, if returns error, we could use an alternative method, so that we still want to show our users that there was a warning and it was resolved. So we could like initially show it as a orange, and then we could show something like error basis. So not only this, we could like, let us suppose I specify a variable named Soilendra. Okay, so we could also, like any other JavaScript features, we could also do like console.log, and then we could use the success, and then we could do something like hello, and we could do like percentage. So we all know that it will replace the value for it, and we could just pass the name, right? So it will just use the name, and it will just in the value. So I will just save it. So as you can see, hello the family. So it can also be used for replacing things like this. So I think that's it for talk. I will see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.